Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Practice English with Rakesh. So today in this video we are going to learn some real English. Okay, so you can see here I'm in the jungle. So actually not in the jungle. I have come here to my field. So you can see here all these are our field. So we bring grass we bring grass to our buffalo, to our animal from here. Okay, so you can see here you can see there actually there is a landslide. So landslide has been occurred there in the rainy days. So this time it was very huge rain in the rainy season, so that's why that landslide has been occurred. And now you can see here there are bamboo trees. These are bamboos. Here is also bamboo trees, but this bamboo is little bit thin. Okay, its trunk is thin, but that bamboo is huge, very big bamboo. So my friend, you can I'm going to show you this. So that is guava. So here in our field there are so many guava trees. So these days so many guavas are in the tree, so we actually pluck guava and eat. So this home, ah, what a sweet guava. That is the beauty of village life. So I am living, like in the nature. Okay, very sweet guava. You can see here, I want to show you this one. We used to eat this one. So when I was kid, okay, so that time we used to eat such kind of, it's also a fruit, small fruit we can see. And there I'm not sure you can see or not, but there is a river. We can say river, yeah, we can say small river, but it's not a river, it's like a stream. So there is a river. So in hot day, like in summer, they used to come here and bath into that river's water. So that's why I learned how to swim in this river. So when we were kids, like me, my brother and others, okay, my friendhood, so we used to come here and we actually learn how to swim, and also we actually play together in the waters, okay, and we actually did so much fun. So right now when I'm talking to you about my past days, so it's like a nostalgic. So I am actually remembering my nostalgic day. So that is a nostalgia. Okay. So now actually you can see here there are so many trees. So many trees. So these trees actually just in 3 and 5 years, these trees grew in between the 3 and 5 year. But before 3 and 5 year, that all space, you can see all space here and there, all space used to be empty. So right now here I can't see the across. I can't see across if there is a human going here and there, but I can't see because of so much tree. Okay, so that is the things, like actually it has changed in 5 and 6 years. Okay, because these days actually people actually do not want to work in a field. Okay, they do not want to clean their field. Okay, they do not want to remove the weed from the field. So they just they can say they are becoming lazy. Okay, everyone actually has gone, okay, to outside, like in a city, for a job. Okay, so that's why. So but before, like in 10 years ago, it was empty. There was very few trees here and there. Okay, so we can actually, we could see across the river, across so far, if there was a human. But right now we can't see. So that is the huge difference I can see here. So now I'm going back to my home. So I will show you. You can see, no, I will show you that is also a guava tree. Okay, but guava are not on the tree, so it's empty. So right now I'm going back to my home. So these are also our field. Okay, so I and my brother, we used to bring grass to our bulls, because 10 years ago we used to rear a bull. Okay, we used to plow our field from the bull, so that's why we used to keep bull to plow our field. But these days we actually plow our field from the tractor. So that is the thing. In these days there are lots of bulls actually, you can say, in the city. Here and there they are wandering here and there. Okay, so there is also one guava tree here. So actually I plucked guava from this tree and ate. So you can see in our field is clean, because my mom and dad, me also, we have cleaned our field. Okay, we have removed the weed. So now this is our field. So I want to show you one thing. It's too much waste here. You can see here. So that tree actually had fallen in a rainy season. Okay, because of heavy rain. So we got this tree cut from the person who actually cut the tree. So we can say them woodcutter. So right now here is the log. That is the small log. So I'm going to lift it and they go to home. So I'm going to show you how can I. So I'm going to lift that log. This is heavy one, but I can lift it. God, it's heavy one. I have to lift it very carefully. Oh my god. So my friend, it's heavy one. So I will meet you after reaching home. You can see here, it's heavy. I'm panting. And now here is way is plain, but now there is a steep way. So I have to climb on that way. I will show you. It's a heavy man. You can see here. I have put it down. It's getting dark now. I'm bending because it was very heavy, but I had to bring it home. Still two log, heavy log. Actually, still two logs left there. So that two log actually I need to bring, but I will bring that two logs after some time, because this time that two logs actually are very heavy. So for a one man, that actually was not a one man job. No. So my friend, that was the village blog. So I hope you have learned a lot. So you need to speak like this, okay? At home, when you actually do your household chore, then you have to speak with yourself. That is the perfect way to speak.